result?
10 seconds.
Oh, no,
We are just over 10 seconds in.
Hello, Notorious B.O.B. fans. Thank you for watching another video. This is just going to be a quick intro to this video. This is an appearance I had this year at the Richmond Flying Squirrels, where I'm going to be attempting to be in 4 different eating contests against different groups of fans. We had these contests between innings, so we had to run on the field, quickly set up, and they were all 60-second or 1-minute contests. And it was just a bunch of fun. They're in different parts of the stadium, so it was very busy for me, very fun. Got to meet a lot of fans and a great group down there in Richmond, that first-class organization by far. And just here are some of the scenes that I saw around Richmond that I added. Whenever I go to a contest, I like to see a little bit of the sights around the city, and these are just some of the personal highlights. And of course, right here, this is my oldest daughter, and she was my photographer for the day.
Hey, can you get a picture for our website? Your husband might take it. Perfect. So nice meeting you.
You too, thank
Hey,
you.
God, nice meeting you guys.
Welcome, State.
Thank you. That was so far.
It was so far they moved the mound back.
You can stop.
That's right, Uncle. This is the first of 4 eating challenges we have tonight with our college troops. This one is going to be some pizza rolls. We've competitive eating Notorious B.O.B. going up against David, Pete, and Matt. Here tonight with our friends at the BC College of Dentistry. All right, guys, you're going to have 60 seconds to either finish your pizza rolls or see who can eat the most. They each have 25 here. All right, we're going to check out your count. You got 60 seconds. On your mark, get set, eat.
Oh!
And they're off. Let's hear it. All right. About 15 seconds in. B.O.B. is making it look pretty easy right now. B.O.B.'s got 3 right there, halfway, 30 seconds still to go. And B.O.B. is up, so he's going to be our winner. And it looks like, we'll stop it there. I won't force the guys to continue to make it. It looks like, Matt, you're going to be in 2nd place. Congratulations. We're going to give the first one over to Notorious B.O.B. Stay tuned for the end of this inning, where they will be taking on some Bojangles.
Absolutely. Pizza rolls good?
The pizza roll, yeah, they're like the little frozen ones, are like not for me.
Yeah. You shovel those things.
You train for it. I drink a lot of water.
Okay. How long do you go without eating for like a hot dog?
For a hot, thank you very much. If it's a major contest, it pays like 2 days before and usually a day after. So I eat in 10 minutes, 4 days of food. Sorry, I gotta run right now.
You go right now and eat?
Yeah.
Okay, have fun.
Thanks.
Thanks, Alpha. I am down here with Robert, John, and Matt, and of course the Notorious B.O.B. They're going to be eating some Chicken Supreme from Bojangles. They've got 25 on it, and again, they've got 60 seconds to eat as many as they can. So guys, on your mark, get set, go! I have no trouble with this. Matt's going really good. He's very, very quick behind. Robert John and Matt are also on there a little bit. They're having fun though. They are enjoying their Bojangles Chicken Supreme. I'm not even sure if he's chewing exactly, but he's drinking them along with his water.
I mean, that's just amazing.
It is neck and neck to our three contestants, so you guys have about 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That is all she wrote. Bob here has got the most out of them all. Next down here is going to be John. John is going to win that gift card.
That should cheer me on, guys.
I have one more eating competition. We've got Notorious B.O.B. and the Walker family, Billy, John, and Michael. They have 60 seconds to eat peanut butter and jelly Uncrustables. All right, gentlemen, are you ready? Mark, get set, go! All right. Over 10 seconds in. Already. They are really just admiring him do this. 30 seconds in. 30 seconds in. Notorious B.O.B. only has 2
Are you good? Yeah.
Red has 3.
Michael as our winner.
Three, 3, and 5. Go well.
Richmond. It's CoStar.com/Richmond. And now here's Eggs with Notorious B.O.B. for the first base hangout for our final college night eating challenge.
That's right, this is the final challenge, and personally I think the hardest one.
There's only 3 ones. He's got it.
60 seconds. B.O.B. is going up against some of our staff. We have Matt, Kristen, and our clubhouse mascot, Jay. All right, we have 60 seconds on the clock. Are you ready? Get set, eat. We have some